3 tablespoons of coffee powder and add it to 100 milliliters of water in a small saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Let it boil for 7 to 8 minutes, allowing the coffee to steep and release its rich aroma. Once the coffee has boiled, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch powder to the mixture. Stir continuously to avoid any lumps from forming. Reduce the heat to low and continue to stir the mixture for about 3 to 5 minutes. The cornstarch will start to thicken the mixture, turning it into a creamy texture. Keep stirring until the consistency becomes smooth and creamy. Once the mixture has reached a creamy texture, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely to room temperature. Once cooled, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the cream for added hydration and nourishment. Open 3 vitamin E capsules and pour the oil into the cream. Stir well to incorporate all the ingredients. Before applying the coffee cream, gently massage the coffee scrub onto your body, focusing on areas that need exfoliation like elbows, knees, or dry spots. Allow the scrub to sit for 1 to 2 minutes on your skin to ensure the ingredients have time to work. Finally, pour the cream into a clean, airtight container for storage. Make sure the container is sealed tightly to preserve its freshness. Apply the coffee cream to your face or body, massaging it gently. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water for smooth and rejuvenated skin.